So you have a car like this, and you're in the middle of the night, and you want to have lights, as soon as you pop up the hood. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So that way, when you put down the hood, as you can see, the lights are off, and when I release the hood, the lights will turn on by themselves. As you can see, I put them here. I'm going to show you step by step how I did everything, so that way you can have the same thing. Also, all the wiring, as you can see, I use this lumen here, so that way everything will look nice, and all the wire will be protected. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link, so that way you can buy yourself. Okay, so this is the kit that you're going to need. As you can see, I'm going to leave you the link in the video description, so that way you can buy the same thing or something similar. So basically, I'll show you the kit, how it comes. So it comes with these lights that you see here. So you're going to install one on each side if you want to, or the way you want it. In my case, I install one in this bar, another on the side, because you usually have the fuse box here. So all you're going to need is, again, the two strip lights, and then you're going to hook them up as you saw. It comes with a fuse. This is the switch, so the way you're going to hook it or put it in some place on the side, so that way when you put down the hood, it will turn off by itself. Some zip ties, and then you're going to hook it to the terminals that you have in the battery or someplace in the fuse box, and that's it. Very simple. So now I have this piece I want to show you, so that way you can see I have these two strip lights. Then we're going to install the switch, as you can see here. So basically, when we put down the hood, so as you can see, this is going to open the circuit. So you have one connection here and the other is going to be here. So when you open up the hood, this will be closed and the circuit will be closed, and we are going to have the light. When we push it down, because the car is running normally, this is going to be open. So now I'm going to show you how to install it, at least in this case. So basically, we have to remove the screw here, and then here we have the hole that is good for this place. And I was looking at this place, and when you put the hood down, it's going to open the circuit and it will work. Alright, so as you can see here, I have a hole already in my car. If you don't have a hole in your car, maybe you have to make a hole with a drill bit, and then just the nut in the other side, and that's it. And then after that, it will be installed very easily, and then after that you will have to hook up the cables and you should be good. So now I'm going to show you the rest. Alright, so as you can see, we're going to use the wipes to clean up the area. So I think this will be a good place to put one of them, and the other one, it could be on the side here, or maybe in this area like that, so that way we can see, like farther away. Let's say we have to replace a spark plug or something. I think it will be better. Otherwise, another option would be to put one here, another there, and that will be another solution if you wanted to look, kind of symmetrical. So here and there. So as you can see, here we have the switch. We push and it works. With this, then the nut, you can regulate it to have the height that you want. So once you push it with the hood, we should be good. And this is what I'm going to use, the wipes. I think it comes with alcohol, so that way we can clean up the place that we're going to install this, and we should be good. So as you can see, we have the light here, so it looks great. We have the other one, so because we have the fuse boxes over here, and now I don't have the lumen. The lumen is this type of plastic, like a conduit that will cover this, so that way I can put it maybe in some area, so that way it will look better than hanging. Okay, no, it's no good to have everything hanging. For instance, in this case, I have these wires here that is for a light that put here on the front that looks very nice. And so if we can avoid that will be great.
So the connection is very simple. All you have to do, as you can see here, so you use this connection here. So when you push this, it will turn it off, and it works great. So the other connection goes here, at least in my case. That's how this is exposed. This screw here. So this is live, the positive, and here is the negative, basically. And that's it. So very, very simple. Later, as you can see, I put some zip ties here, so that way I can keep it in place. And later, I'll try to make it look pretty. But at least it was very easy. In I think half an hour, it can be done very, very quickly. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know. Section below. If you want to learn more, go to my playlist. And if you need lights, tools, electronics, or anything like that, I am in US. I can ship it to you. Just let me know where. And that's it. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And now, as you can see, it works. I'm going to shut it. That's it. There we go. Now you see some light, hopefully. Lift it up. And there you have the light. Very good.